Okay, everybody, how many skinny fry sauce and fermented onion and sprout sandwiches on whole grain bread do you think Jerry can eat? I'm gonna deliver these to two special friends, but these are for Jerry. I think you better make another loaf of the bread maker bread, Jerry. And we're gonna have a sandwich eating contest tonight. But I'm making them ahead of time. It's early in the day, and I'm gonna wrap these up and see how they are wrapped up and packed. Because I like kind of a soggy sandwich. A sandwich like you went and picked up from the deli and then walked back to work with. That's what I'm trying to make on a protective diet. Take care.
Press the bell.